Everyone, Ahmad is here, and today we will see next level fitness in action. So today I'm going to start with three quests. We will going to complete three quests in a row, and we will see the leveling up and ranking up all in the same time. So we will going to start with push up, and then we will do squats, and then we will do jumping jacks. So let's go started. So we're going to start with warm up. Let's go and
Let's
warm up.
warm up. We'll do two quick exercises to
Very
prepare
good.
your body.
As you can see, it's tracking and
Warm up
everything,
exercise,
speed
jumping
clear.
jacks. Do
So
20 reps.
let's start the jumping jacks. As you can see down there, it is counting the reps and it
5
is
reps.
showing the state I'm in currently. The current version is not
10
actually
reps.
coaching you, but it shows you your current. It
15
shows you
reps.
your current position and what you should do in that
20
position.
reps.
So as you can see, we have
Jumping jacks
completed
complete. Great
20
job.
jumping jacks, and you
Warm
can
up
hear the
exercise,
voice.
arm circles.
So now we're
Do
going to
10
start
reps.
arm circles. As you can see, it's counting. The arm circles currently the detection is kind of it's tricky because I'm going to need to track 3D landmarks, but I'm just tracking 2D, so I just have to
5
raise my
reps.
arms up and down for this current version. But as we go, we will go further and update it to the 3D landmarks. So as you can see, I'm currently struggling with the detection, but there we go, 9 and then 10.
10 reps.
So I completed the warm up.
Arm
As you can
circles
see, I have
complete.
been
Great
gifted
job.
50 XP
Warm up
bonus.
complete.
So let's
You earn
go.
50
Let's
bonus
start the actual
XP.
exercise, which
Your
is push
muscles
up.
are ready.
And
Starting
then now
push-up.
I will go
Get
to start
ready,
push up.
Hunter.
As you can
Focus
see,
on
it
your
will
form.
show you the demonstration before you start an exercise. It will show you what to do. So let's go. By the way, you can face both sides. If you want, you can face right. If you want, you can face left. But for the detection to go well, you have to stay like uh, you have to stay in a 3D sorry, in a 2D position like this,
5
not
reps.
facing the camera. So the detection will be more clear. As you can see, it counts and it
10 reps.
says everything. So that's it. Let's click.
Great
And as
work.
you can see, I
Plus
finished
14
push-up.
XP from your effort.
I've completed push-up and
Quest
I've been
completed.
gifted 250
Push-ups.
XP bonus.
Plus
And
260 XP
yeah,
bonus.
so and now this is let's go with squats. Let's start squats. Let's select squats. Oh,
Sit
this
ups
is
selected.
sit
Ready
ups.
to train.
Let's go back and select squats. Yeah, this is
Squats
squats. So
selected. Ready to
let's go
train.
and start squats.
Starting squat. Get ready, Hunter.
And as you can
Focus on
see,
your
every
form.
single exercise will show you definitely, show you directly how to do it. So let's say got it and then let's do it. But squats, actually, I have worked on squats a lot and it will
5
count
reps.
everything based on what you do. That's a mistake. That reps that it counts the mistake. Well, let's go. So you can see it's counting and it's telling the current state you are in.
10 reps.
When you stand up, it will say that you are standing, squat down. And if you squat down, it will say that you are squatting down
15
like
reps.
this. Now, perfect depth, and then now get up. As you can see, this is just a basic rule-based tracking. The coaching part will come in this near future.
20 reps.
As you can see, and you hear the voice, clean counts.
25 reps.
And as you can see, even my cat have got in the way, but it's still counting and it's still
30
tracking
reps.
the reps, and it's not going away the tracking. So let's sleep, take a
Great
rest a little
work.
bit,
Plus 33 XP from your
and
effort.
then let's complete the squats. Just taking a rest, a little bit of rest. I'm not in good shape currently. Let's go. let's complete this quest and then
Starting
complete
squat.
the jumping
Get
jacks
ready,
too.
Hunter. Focus on your form.
As you can see, it will repeat the GIF, so you can see what to do each time. For
5
squats,
reps.
you can face everywhere you want. If you want, you can face right, left, you can face the camera, you can face everywhere. And
10
it's the same thing
reps.
as lunges actually. But I'm going to show you lunges and the rest of the exercises in the next video.
Great
So
work.
as you can see, I
Plus
have
12
completed
XP
squats. I
from your
get
effort.
250 XP. And
Quest
now
completed.
let's complete
Squats.
jumping
Plus
jacks.
335
Let's see,
XP bonus.
we completed squat. So jumping jacks are going to be on the squat. Yeah, this is jumping jacks, so we completed. So let's go. Let's go select jumping jacks. It's down there in the cardio, which is the full
Jumping jacks
So,
selected.
let's
Ready
go ahead
to
and
train.
start the jumping jacks. Let's complete this quest too and see
Starting
what we
jumping
have,
jack.
what we will
Get
get,
ready,
the
Hunter.
rewards and everything.
Focus on your form.
So we got it. Let's get going.
Five reps.
Okay, as you can see, my best tracking exercises are
10
this
reps.
jumping jack, squat, and then push-ups. They are the ones that
15
do
reps.
without any mistake. Although squats actually have some
20 reps.
it triggered when you are very close to the computer, but I'm going to open that too.
25 reps.
Wait, so let's take a rest a little bit.
Great
then
work.
complete
Plus
it.
25 XP from your effort. Starting jumping jack. Get ready, Hunter. Focus on your
So
form.
let's completed the jumping jacks. As you can see, if you do it with your legs alone, it will not going to count anything. And if you do it with your only hands, it's not going to
5
count.
reps.
You have to do it with your both hands and legs all at the same time.
10 reps.
So as you can see, without wasting any time, that's it for jumping jacks.
15 reps.
It takes 40, so let's complete it to 40.
20 reps.
That's it. Let's take our rewards.
Great work. Plus 21 XP
Great.
from
As
your
you can
effort.
see, I have rank
Quest
promotion
completed.
and then
Jumping jacks.
the rank upgrade.
Plus
I currently have a
320
lot of
XP
exercises
bonus.
that are being
Rank upgrade.
that are being
You've reached
increased.
beginner
The
tier.
difficulty
Your
of the
daily
exercises
workout
and everything
targets
is
have
being
increased.
increased. As long as you get further
Level up.
level
You are now
and
level
ranks,
8.
you get higher, the
Rank
difficulty of your
promotion.
exercises
You are
will
now
going to
a D
increase
rank
too.
hunter.
As you can see now, I'm level 8, which is I'm now D rank hunter, and then everything there is clean and the exercises has been increased. So, and in the next video, I'm going to go through the rest of the exercises, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share the video. Thanks for the support.